It was
Oh my God. Jesus.
Oh, oh, oh!
Edge rushers, outside linebackers, edge rushers, whatever you want.
What the hell?
Nominated for an Oscar. It's a gauntlet of devotion that you have to do, and you know, it's just all over the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it unfold, and then what happened after?
Oh my God. I need to call 911, I guess.
I have that on camera too.
Right. Oh my God.
That's Miami on Instagram. So I went to go look at their profile, and this is their bio. Their bio. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Oh yeah, she lost her whole wheel.
Number 47. The White Album again. Some say it had filler, but whatever. Into the envelope and taking chances.
Oh. Dai, ieri possiamo da mexicana.
Non ha
Şimdi bayağı oturup burada savaşayım.
My God.
I got you, bro.
Number one. We got more down here.
The blue one's a playlist.
This one. No.
And I think the one... Oh! Really, asshole? Wow!
Oh my God, what the heck happened?
I don't know, frickin' brakes went somewhere.
give me the gift cards, and then after I will make this done. I will make this as it is.
What the dude? Are you serious?
Thousands of dollars. Ben, let me show you.
Yes! Yes! Instant karma! Instant karma!
Oh my God, Ben, actually, I know a really easy way that we can fix this. I know a really easy way we can fix this, since you still owe me like
ein paar trockene Momente nochmal gibt, außer eben im Norden von Schleswig-Holstein oder im Süden von Niedersachsen. Bei den 5 Inseln und